Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to install Streamlit, LangChain Core, LangChain Community and LangChain Ulama on my system. After installing this, the next video I will show you how you can make a chat application using the Ulama LangChain and Streamlit. To install the Streamlit, you have to run the command pip install Streamlit. Streamlit is installed. Now we are going to install LangChain Core. The command is pip install langchain underscore core. Enter this command. This is also installed. Now we are going to install langchain community. Langchain community is also installed. Now I will show you how to install langchain ulama. So we have successfully installed all these libraries. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.